I'm in international airport in Thailand, and you can see in the whole Thailand there is a culture to the massage. We can see here in the airport how people perform massage, foot massage, neck massage, hand and arm massage, Thai massage. These massages began in the 2nd century before Jesus Christ, and the history said that the massages began to write and perform by the personal doctor of Siddhartha Buddha. And we have here in Bangkok this manuscript. And also the Thailand massage didn't change too much from this time. 2 and 3rd second before the Christian era. And in the whole Thailand, it's a culture to the massage. And I think everybody come to Thailand must to enjoy this kind of massage.